Hey guys, this is the only way that I found out to actually get rid of the smoke, the tobacco smell inside our garage. So we tore everything down. So we took out all the drywall everywhere and everything else that was built in there. So there was some wood structure, that there was a workshop there and all that. We took it all down and then we sprayed Kilz. So that wasn't the very first thing we did. We actually did try the Ozone Machine. So that will get rid of your smell maybe for 4 days, and then that's it. It kind of just covers up the smell because ozone has that another toxic kind of smell to it. So it's not great and it doesn't do the job. So don't even bother with those ozone machines. They will not do the job if you guys have that really pungent smell inside your garage or your house. If it's your house, I feel for you guys because you might have to take out all your drywall. I wouldn't spray Kilz right on your drywall, and that's because the smoke smell gets into even the wood behind your drywall. It doesn't just stay on top of your drywall. So that's why I had to spray right here at the actual wood. So that's what we ended up doing, spraying all the framing because the smell was still there. Although we tore everything down, we threw out everything that was in the garage. We also did switch the garage door to see if that would help. But again, the only thing that actually made a difference was once I sprayed it with Kilz. So I sprayed everything. It wasn't just the walls, also the top, the ceiling, everything. In this case, I bought an electric sprayer and I put Kilz in there. The smell from the paint itself was very, very toxic. It was very hard to breathe, and I should have bought an appropriate mask. Although I was told to do that, I ignored it because I said, well, I can just cover it up with a cheap mask. But no, definitely buy a good mask for it because that's what I did for my next project, and it was great. So buy an appropriate masks, those that cost from anywhere 60 and up, depends where you guys get it obviously, but they will not cost you anything less than $60 for the actual good ones that will protect you against this. I would only recommend using a spray gun such as this one if you guys have to spray something like this, like me, like wood, and you guys had to get a lot of detail. Other than that, if you guys want to paint your drywall itself, then I wouldn't use an airbrush. Just go ahead and paint it using a roller and a brush. So now it's 2 years after, and all I can tell you is that it worked. That's the only thing that actually worked and got rid of the smell. There is some left over, and I'm pretty sure but that's because I didn't change up the door that leads into the house. So that's the next thing. That's the only place where I can smell something. However, everywhere else in the garage does not smell anymore. Anyways, once again, it's only Kilz that actually worked to get rid of this horrible, horrible, horrible smell that was in the garage. Remember, these people that lived inside this house used to smoke in the garage, I think daily, and even the outlets were yellow because of the tobacco. If you guys don't have a really, really strong smell of smoke inside your house or in your garage, then maybe you guys can get away with just painting your drywall. However, if it's really pungent like it was in my case, then yes, you're gonna have to strip off all the drywall and the ceiling and everything. Anyways, that's my experience with this. That's the only thing that worked for me. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.